Many designers are getting reservations through messengers these days. However, in case of a messenger reservation, it is difficult to answer each messenger during your procedure, going back and forth to fetch the answer. Why don't you try Colavosalon's booking link? First, let me show you how Colavosalon's booking link is sent to your customers. You can select any random card on the first screen and press the send button. Then the activate booking request screen will appear. Pressing activate booking will activate the booking link, then you'll be able to see which message is being sent to the customer. Let's start with select customer at the top. If you search and make a selection, you'll see that the customer's name has entered the message. To send this message in a text, press the Send SMS button below or press the button right here to share via another messenger. I'll try sending it in text message. If you press it, you'll see the text message window on your phone. When you press Send here, the message you saw earlier is sent to the customer. Let's check it out on the customer screen. You can confirm that the same message has arrived. When the customer clicks Booking Link, the number authentication screen will be displayed. Press Log with mobile numbers below to enter the customer's own number. Once the customer has verified his or her number that matches your registered customer number, the customer can start booking. If the customer chooses the desired treatment and select the desired date, he will be able to make the final reservation at the end of the booking process by pressing Confirm. Let's go back to the designer screen. As soon as the customer makes an online reservation, a push notification comes to your mobile phone. By pressing this notification, all online booking can be seen. To find out more about your booking, simply click on the top schedule to go to the calendar. It's really comfortable and simple, isn't it? Now, don't waste time arranging an appointment with your customer through messengers. Just start an online reservation with the free customer management app Colavosalon from the mobile app store. Keep both your customers and yourself satisfied.